everyone, it's me, Krista. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today we're going to be unboxing the SketchBox Premium Box for August 2020. As always, we have our little pamphlet that lets us know exactly what's inside. And we got a different sticker this time. This one is in the shape of a chalk pastel. And the example of what can be done with this month's art supplies is once again done by Nikolai Shaver. The first bit of art supplies we got is a soft pastels set by Rembrandt in Red Earth. The retail price for this is normally $9.95. This month is all about soft pastels. We love the color palette of this set for florals, landscapes, and moody subject matter. The pastels are super soft and apply with ease. These half sticks are designed as a non-intimidating way for artists to break into the pastel category with an affordable and high-quality product. I have a couple of these sets in a few different colors. I actually really like these pastels. They work well. Next we have a couple more pastels. We have two Schminke soft pastels, and the retail price for these is normally $7.60 each. These are the highest quality soft pastels we tested and had to share their amazing texture and control with our premium members. They use the finest artist pigments and a minimum of binders. We included titanium yellow and cobalt blue to expand your palette this month. They are some very pretty colors and they have a lot of pigment going on. I'm not sure exactly how well they're going to work with the other colors we got though. They also gave us some pastel pencils. The first one we got is a Caran d'Ache pastel pencil in bismuth white, and the retail price for this is normally $4.40. This is a staff favorite. It's not easy to create a compressed lead that behaves like a pastel without the proper binding agent, and Caran d'Ache nailed it with this formulation. The other pastel pencil we got is a Bräunzeal pastel pencil, and it is in black, and the retail price for this is normally $3.10. To add some variety, allow you to outline and thus control the pastels, we included a black pastel pencil from Bräunzeal. This also was nice for deepening up the darkest color that we got in the Rembrandt soft pastels set. With having the pencils, we should be able to get more shading and a lot more detail work in there. We also got some stuff to help blend everything out. These are some soft tools and an oval and flat knife set. The retail price for this is normally $4.40. We wanted to offer a high quality and precise way of blending with the pastels, so we included a set of oval and flat knives from Pastel Specialist Soft Tools. This month we also got a variety of papers. The first is a Hahn-Muehl velour sample set. The retail price for this is normally $13, and this is custom. We worked with Hahn-Muehl to develop this custom set of velour-toned papers. The texture is pure bliss when working with the pastels. Feel it to believe it. We also got two pieces of UArt sanded pastel paper. It is 4 by 9 inches, and the retail price is normally $4, and this is also custom. Another type of pastel paper for you to try. This one is a 400 sand grit on it to help catch the powdery pastel pigments. I'm really excited about the papers we got in this box because I haven't used any velour paper and I've never actually used sanded paper, so it'll be nice to play around with something different. Overall, I'm looking forward to playing around with the stuff that came in this month's box, and I'm excited to see how these colors work together, especially on the papers. Well, this unboxing, and therefore this video, is pretty much done. If you liked it, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, concerns, or you've used any of the items that came in this month's box, let me know all about that in that comment section down below. If you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe. I do SketchBox unboxing videos and projects once a month. As always, thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day or night to watch this video and listen to me ramble. I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon, and you'll definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!